Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about present simple. We use it for three main purposes. To talk about a habit. I wake up at 7 every day in the morning. To talk about a general truth. Butter melts under the sun. And to express feelings. She loves chocolate. Let's take a look at the form. I, you, we, they, plus verb, plus the rest of the sentence. I always drink coffee. With he, she, it, we add an S to the verb. Catherine plays tennis. Catherine is a she, right? She is a girl. So we say, Catherine plays tennis. We add the auxiliary do and dash when we form the negative and interrogative forms. John plays football. Does John play football? We can also answer with short answers. Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. Now take a look at the question again. Does John play football? We remove the S from play. We do not add an S to the verbs in the interrogative and negative forms. I speak English. Transform this sentence into the negative form. I do not or don't speak English. Amy sleeps early. Amy does not or doesn't sleep early. We can't learn about the present simple without learning some adverbs of frequency. We have often or often, sometimes, always, never, and usually. We put them before the verb. I usually wake up at 9 o'clock. Except with the verb to be, they come after it. I am never sad. His teacher is always funny. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you guys understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!